Hey, what is going on, guys and gals? It is your boy Nuke back with a video today. Long time since I've uploaded, I know that, but I'm getting back into the swing of things. Many of you guys know, if you've paid attention to my Twitter page or my business Facebook page, which I actually recently got back in the last few months. I'm back to full-time content creation and streaming. I'm also restarting my gaming organization, so there's been a lot of stuff going on. I'm only running my business and doing side jobs right now, stuff like that. I had to quit my full-time job to pursue these type of things. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. So today's video is showing you guys how I refurbish graphics cards. Of course, in this video, these are low price graphics cards. They go for anywhere from between $10 and $30. They're not used for a whole lot. Mainly in builds where there's not an integrated graphics, processing unit built into the CPU. And these graphics cards are super easy for somebody to get into refurbishing stuff, or if you just want to tinker around, super easy. I mean, you can see here, it takes me less than 5 minutes to take it apart, clean it, and spray it off. You don't need much to do this. You just need alcohol. You really don't even need to spray it off unless the fan that you have or the graphics card that you have, whatever you're refurbishing, has a lot of dust on it. One of these dusters are only about $35 on Amazon, so it didn't cost me much. The alcohol pads that I'm using, I think the box, there's 100 of them, and it cost me like $10. Or you can just use a bottle of alcohol with a paper towel or a microfiber towel. And of course, using the alcohol and all that, that's for removing the thermal compound. Using the fan is to knock out all the dust. I actually go a step further. You'll see in this video, I actually wipe every individual fan blade with the alcohol pads, and then I spray it off again to make sure that there's no dust and that it's dried completely. That's with every graphics card that I do. These are lower end ones. On higher end graphics cards, there's a lot more to do. There's a lot more screws. There's a lot more that you can mess up as well. But that's all there is to it. So if you're somebody that's getting into electronics repair, or you just want to tinker around with stuff, maybe learn a little bit, this is a great video and a great series. If you check out the playlist in the description and the playlist that this video is in, you will see plenty of other videos that I'm making and have made in the past, showing you how to do, certain repairs, how to upgrade your computer, various benchmarks, things like that. So feel free to check it out. And thank you for watching this video, and enjoy the rest of it. There's a good bit of refurbishing that I do to these graphics cards, so enjoy. Peace out, guys.